Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hidden Taste of India. In this video, I'm sharing with you all very trendy and unique cake designs on Spider-Man theme. So, if you have a baby boy and you are going to celebrate his birthday, then take a screenshot of one of the beautiful Spider-Man cake design and make a cake for your celebration like that. Kids love cartoons, and if you make a cake on your favorite Spider-Man, then they will surely love their cake. You can choose any of the cake design of this video, and if you don't like my cake design, then take a visit on my channel. I have uploaded so many cake designs on especially boys cake designs, so please check my channel. All the cake designs are so unique and trendy and even very easy for beginners to make it. So watch the video till the end and like my channel and subscribe it. I have uploaded so many cake designs on boys, especially cartoon theme cake design, so visit my channel for so many theme cake designs. These cake designs are beginner friendly. You can even make it at your home by using cream, fondant cream and Spider-Man stickers. I have tried to use and show you the cake designs that can be easily made by using stickers and cream. So these are so easy to make, so you can take a screenshot and show at your bakery to make them for your baby boy. If you have a suggestion which type of cake design I show you, then feel free to ask me in a comment section and I will try to make a cake video on that topic too. And if you want more cake design for your baby girl and different color themes, anniversary cake, and on every occasion I have uploaded so many things, so take a visit on my channel. I hope you like my video. If you like it, then subscribe my channel, like the video and share this channel with your friends and family members. And if you do not find a cake for your celebration, then visit my channel for more such cake designs. Thank you so much for watching my video.